a period of time or a meeting arranged for a particular activity.
Session. Session. The 21-year-old runner twisted his ankle in a training session last Friday.
Used to show movement away from the inside of a place or container.
Out of. Out of. A peach rolled out of the bag.
Not interesting or exciting in any way, boring.
Dull. Dull. He's pleasant enough, but deadly dull.
A play in a theater or on television or radio, or plays and acting generally.
Drama. Drama.
He's the drama critic for the Times.
In writing or on paper.
Down. Down. I've put you down for 3 tickets each.
Not in a job.
Out of. Out of. Both she and her husband are out of work.
Used, especially with prepositions, to emphasize that a place is far from you or from somewhere considered to be central.
Down. Down. He has a house down by the harbor.
Down or away from a place or position.
Off. Off. He fell off his bike.
A school for children aged 5 to 11.
Primary school. Primary school. My daughter is still at primary school.
In grammar, An irregular verb, noun, adjective, etc. does not obey the usual rules for words in the language.
Irregular. Irregular. A table of irregular verbs.
If a machine or system is out of order, it is not working as it should.
Out of. Out of. The coffee machine's out of order.
A formal talk on a serious or specialist subject given to a group of people, especially students.
Lecture. Lecture. We went to a lecture on Italian art.
A substance, such as water, that is not solid or a gas and that can be poured easily.
Liquid. Liquid.
Liquid fuel or nitrogen.
Old and no longer useful, correct, or fashionable.
Out of. Out of. These unemployment figures are out of date.
An event or situation, especially an unexpected one, in which there is worry or excitement and usually a lot of action.
Drama. Drama.
There was a lot of drama in the courtroom.
Used with actions in which something is removed or removes itself from another thing.
Off. Off. Take your feet off the seat.
From among an amount or number.
Out of. Out of. No one got 20 out of 20 in the test.
If a price has a certain amount of money off, it costs that much less than the usual price.
Off. Off. You can get some money off if you pay cash.
To stop yourself expressing strong emotions or behaving in a silly way.
Control. Control. You're going to have to learn to control your temper.
The punctuation mark that is put at the end of a phrase or sentence to show that it is a question.
Question mark. Question mark. Where is the question mark on this keyboard?
Used to talk about what is possibly true.
Might. Might. I think Isabel might be pregnant.
Away from a place or position.
Off. Off. I'm just off to the shops.
Used to show what something is made from.
Out of. Out of. The dress is made out of silk.
Likely to become ill or likely to damage your health.
Unhealthy. Unhealthy. He has a very unhealthy lifestyle.
To make someone or something do what you want.
Control. Control. This switch controls the temperature.
To pay to use something for a short time.
Hire. Hire. How much would it cost to hire a car for a fortnight?